on yours.
Yeah.
Wow. Trying to top it.
Hey, no, we want to go with the ladies next.
We're gonna get one cup of Pepsi.
I don't think she has Pepsi.
Lindsay.
No, he's laughing at you. It's so funny. Jinky.
Okay. Switch players. Lindsay's turn.
Oh.
Excuse me?
What?
You had 3 shots.
No, not that hit the target.
It doesn't matter. You switch players. There's no cheating.
It's not you. That hit the ball.
Doesn't matter. When you're in a shooting match, it doesn't matter if you miss the target. That still counts as a shot. Stand behind the shoe.
Jinky. Point right there.
Look at your cute little haircut.
Point at me. Jinky, point me at it.
Well, I can't really point it at it. You have to point it at it.
Here it goes.
Point it at it. Here. Got one.
Is it wearing out?
This time, when you squeeze the trigger at the, point it at the thing. Squeeze the trigger gently.
If it bounces back, he'll laugh again.
You missed.
She shot it into the plant a couple days ago. And he giggled.
Alright. Good try.
Look at me, Linz. Hey, cheese.
Cheese.
Go.
Uh-oh, how did he bounce? Come on, Luke, hit the target. I'm crying.
Target zone 2.
Ha, 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 ha. Laugh.
Okay. Lindsay's turn.
Luke, here. Look.
Go.
There. Now pull it back for me, Dad.
We'll get behind the shoe.
Hey,
Behind the
Jakey.
shoe.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, why don't you just let him down and let him play, Luke?
Put it in there and pull the orange thing back.
If my camera was Dad,
Okay.
use it.
2.
Good job. Come on, come see me.
Oh.
Good job. Let's let him rest.
Yay, Jacob.
You missed it, Victoria, but he'll do it again. He needs to rest.
Hey, Jakey.
Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Ready?
Everyone,
Alright, 40.
everyone's got their video camera.
Alright, come see me.
Except for me. Lindsay.
1.
One.
Come on, hey. Walk to me. Come on.
2. Oh.
Oh.
How many did he just do a minute ago?
7.
7 steps. Those were like his first real 7 steps. He did 2 earlier today.
I can't believe it. He does it all by himself
Come
without
to
us.
Whoop. Yep. Yep. Ready? Alright, come on, rookie. Step. Come on, come to me.
One. Oops. Sorry.
It's the most photographed event in history.
Yay.
Pretty close.
2.
Two.
Oh, good job, Jacob.
He tried his best.
Yay.
He tried his best to keep his balance.
Yay, Jacob.
Here, you want to walk to mom? Here, walk to mommy. Ready?
Lindsay, stay out of the way, please.
Go ahead, walk to mommy.
Come on, Jakey. Come on. Come on.
Lindsay, out of the way, please.
Oh.
He just wants to crawl.
Now he wants to crawl. He's tired.
Come here, Jakey. Jakey?
Come to us.
Yeah!
Walk. Come on, walk.
Come here. Oh well. I think we're tired out.
Hi,
from walking.
Jakey.
We had a long, weary walk today.
Hi, Jake. Hi, Jake.
I don't have a decent video.
Hello, Jacob. What?
It doesn't come off and out at him. He doesn't like that.
What's the matter, Jakey Bear? What's the matter, Jakey Bear? Hey, show him a CAR. See if we can get him to say some of his words.
I'll go get a car. Jakey! Look at this!
What's that?
What's that? Bring it in front of...
What's that?
What is it?
What is it, Jake?
Haha.
What is it, Jake?
What's this? What is it?
I'm gonna turn that viewfinder on.
What is it?
Yeah, he's on to you guys. He says, I'm not performing for anybody.
Jacob.
Jake, do you know what this is? What is it? Lindsay, stop. What is it? Jake, what is it? Oh, you're so silly. Here, Jake. What is it? There you go. Put it in the back of the truck. There. Lindsay, leave him alone. I'm trying it. What is that? Is it a ball? Ball. Say ball. Say ball.
Bye, Jacob. Bye-bye.
Or not.
Bye-bye, Jacob.
Yay, Jakey!